The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 25. Drawing is not photography. How many times have you heard people say of a drawing, "That's amazing, it looks just like a photograph"? That's because the drawing is most likely a straight copy of a photograph. Before the invention of the camera, drawing and painting did the work of photography, but now we have cameras to do what drawing and painting used to do. That is wonderful news. You now have the freedom to draw in any style or method you can desire. Drawing can be anything you like. You decide. When you copy a great photograph, you are relying on the eye and expertise of the photographer. The photographer has chosen the subject and done all the hard work for you already. They are the artist. We all use photographs as reference because we can't get to the place or thing that we want to draw. But try to interpret a series of photographs rather than copy one image. There is still nothing better than drawing from life. That way you see and interpret everything for yourself. If you want a photograph, get a camera. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a fountain pen? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shu Rayner Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.